Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find if your connected external USB microphone supports 24-bit audio recording in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings. Now on the left side you will see your system, just click on it. Now just click on the sound. Now it will show you all the connected devices with your respective Windows computer. So right now below you will see here input. So right now I'm using a external microphone. So you can see here the name of my microphone. So in your case the name might be different. And now just click on this right arrow icon. Now you will see here under the format option, you can see here one channels 24-bit 48,000 Hz studio quality. So if I click on it, so I have only one option. So if you see a 24-bit here, that means it supports, and if you don't see here a 24-bit, that means it does not support 24-bit audio recording. So by using this inbuilt option, you can easily find out if your connected external USB microphone supports 24-bit audio recording in Windows PC. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.